Apple's iPhone Air, big design, bigger questions. Apple's latest product event put the spotlight on the iPhone Air, a $999 ultra thin model positioned as the replacement for the Plus series. It's Apple's first major design overhaul since the iPhone X and a clear step toward a foldable iPhone, which analysts expect as early as next year. The company also rolled out new Apple Watches with health tracking upgrades and AirPods Pro with the heart monitor, while revamping its software with a new liquid glass design language. But despite the flash, Wall Street wasn't impressed. Apple shares slipped over 1% intraday, even as big tech peers rallied. Key investor takeaways: margin play. By eliminating the lowest storage Pro, Apple raised the floor to $1,099. This pushes consumers into higher margin models, a familiar Cook strategy to protect profitability. AI readiness versus AI reality. The new plateau design allows room for hotter, more powerful chips capable of running advanced AI, but Apple's AI software is still lagging behind Google and Samsung, and last year's AI ready iPhones failed to deliver on promised features. Investors are asking, is Apple behind the curve? Battery concerns. The iPhone Air's slim form sacrifices battery life, forcing reliance on a new clip on accessory. That accessory, however, negates the phone's thinness, raising questions about whether the design trade off makes sense for users. Tariff shielding. With most US bound iPhones now assembled in India, Apple dodges tariffs, and Cook continues to sidestep political risks. Still, supply of higher end Pro models remains China heavy. Bottom line: Apple is betting big on design refreshes to drive its next upgrade cycle, with the iPhone Air as the bridge to a foldable future. But investors remain split. Bulls see margin expansion and tariff proofing. Bears see a company relying on cosmetic changes while trailing rivals in AI, the very area that could define the next decade of mobile. The stock's muted reaction suggests the market may be leaning towards the latter, at least in the short term.
Okay, so the stock lost 1.48%, and if you like, ultimately 1.61%. Intraday high was not today, it was on Monday, yeah, Monday the 8th to 41.37. Extrapolation is saying that the stock will continue to, okay, well, it's declining right now, or it declined in this session, and it will continue to decline up to Thursday the 11th, and then from Friday the 12th it will move sideways, and may get a bounce from the 10th, from the 11th of no, from the 13th of October. Yeah, projections are saying 257.40, 270.24, 278.18. Selling pressure or okay, nothing is selling. Well, given the weakness, the 10-day moving average is still trending. The 21-day moving average is not. So, as a matter of fact, this may be providing a buying opportunity because the setup is now yeah, it now has a buy. It's this the current setup now is providing a buying opportunity as things stand right now. Is just beginning to trend. It may have been, yeah, just beginning to trend. It was actually trending a lot better, but given this decline, it seemed to be presenting a buying opportunity. However, this may not be the best time, given that investors are not impressed with what they heard from the company. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, weakness is expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards Wednesday, the 17th of September. Yeah, let's see what the projections are saying here. 230.91, 232.43, 234.89, 239, 241.05. Okay, here the selling pressure is in effect on the 10 period moving average of on this 4 hour chart. However, the 21 moving averages is still very much intact. So I think all in all, selling pressure is gradually creeping in. It's gradually keep creeping in. So it actually does negate what I said there on the daily chart. Maybe it's like I didn't say I did indeed mention that. Just bear in mind that this news just broke out. Investors and traders are not impressed at the moment, even though technically it's providing a good opportunity, but it's not. It is reversing. It's not moving forward. It's presenting a buying opportunity from um, going into weakness. You know, so what I mean. So not the buying opportunity coming out from weakness. You know, so at some point that opportunity, the reversal may be the case. So you know, the timing is the key thing. So I don't exactly know what that timing will be. Here it's saying it's going to be from possibly from the 17th next week. Let's review the daily chart again and see what it's saying that a bottom will print. Okay, here it's saying that going to be sometime in October. Okay, no guarantee that this will be the case. We're talking about a very long time to come. Margin of error is very high. If you think about it, a lot can happen between now and then. You know, yeah. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. Yeah, we'll see how things go. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.